Yun. Okay. So, we're recording. We're live. Dito tayo ngayon sa deck screener. Vintis Sol pair. So, nung pag-release nila, nung June 10, nakita agad natin yung massive selling, no? And that's around a bottom of 100% or 90%. So, after hitting rock bottom, nakita natin volume starts to pick up. Karam tayo ng volume breakout around June 18, so 8 days after. And nakita natin na right now, if nakapasok kayo doon, so you're around 4x already. So we're already 2x here. Looking at, this kind of structure, kapag usually kasi, kahit meme coins naman yan, pag ganito yung mga itsura ng ano nila, ng mga market structure, isang bombahan din yan paangat. So hopefully we reach another 400%. That's 0.1073. And right now we're sitting at 260 USD. So here's an update for Winties.